Hello, my name's Bryden and I'm from England. Today we're going to be talking about English punctuation and how it can be used effectively. More specifically, we're going to be looking at one aspect of English punctuation, which is the semicolon. The semicolon is a punctuation mark, a tool, which I often see misused or even neglected entirely, so we're going to be paying some attention to it today. One way in which the semicolon can be used is to introduce opinions. Let's see an example of that now. So we have the example here. The students are protesting, semicolon, notice the use of the semicolon there. The university should change its policy. So what's happening here and why has a semicolon been used? Well, the first part, the students are protesting. Well, this is it's a fact. It's an observation. It's happening or it isn't. However, the second part of the sentence, the university should change its policy. Well, this isn't a fact. As indicated by the use of the modal verb should, this is rather an opinion. After all, somebody else might disagree. Somebody might think the policy is great and there's no need to change it. So we can see here how the semicolon has been used to smoothly introduce an opinion after a fact. At first glance, superficially, it may just seem as though the entire text is factual, because it's not been made overly clear, or it's not been made obvious that it's an opinion which has been referred to. I could say, the students are protesting. In my opinion, I think that the university should change its policy. And although that would be correct, really when we're using these more advanced English techniques, we want to leave behind being correct or incorrect. After all, very simple constructions are correct, but we want to be natural. We want to be ambitious in our use of the English language. Therefore, the semicolon would be an excellent tool to use in this case. We'll talk more about this subject matter in further videos, but that's all for now. Thank you very much for your time and attention.